malava, I'm Ada. I'm going to show you how I make Sua Fa'i. So first I've got a cup of sago in here, and I actually soak it for a little bit and wash the seeds. And I just leave it to stand for a little bit. And I peel the bananas and put them away. Okay, the best bananas are the ones that are all spotty, as you can see. Some of them are, because these are the sweetest ones. So I just break them up like this into the pot. And I use a few bananas so that I don't have to use sugar for it. So try and stay away from lots of sugar. I'll use just a few. For this demonstration, I'll just use a few, maybe 2, maybe 6 bananas so far. Yeah. Also, with my cooking, I just make my own recipes, make them as I go, and according to taste and how many people like them. And my family are the best ones to judge and to tell me whether they like them or not. To that, I usually add a cup of coconut, a can of coconut. This one, it's best to put in some water, maybe a can of water. So it's natural. So then I can squash the bananas a bit more with this. So you do it according to taste, and I guess with experience I just do it also keep an eye on what we're doing and how much is needed, and so I might add a little bit more water to that. And then we put it on the stove, lights up, and we have to keep stirring. So we keep on stirring so it doesn't stick to the pot. And I also add ground nutmeg, so it gives it a taste, a nice taste. Just fill that up. Fresh is always best, so if you can grate your coconuts and squeeze out the cream and use that, it will be a lot better than having one from the can. So I'm adding the tapioca now, but I've also added some almond milk to it because it's going to be thick. So I just add some almond milk as well. And it just goes according to feel and taste. And as you keep stirring, and when it does cook, the little seeds will be clear. They come out clear, and then you know that's when it's ready. Okay, so here's the finished product. You can see the seeds have all gone clear, and so it's all ready. Oh, not all of them are, but it'll cook, continue to cook in the pot. But it's all ready to be eaten now. Very nice.